This means war. Welcome to the red zone. You already know what it is. DEGEN mode activated. Strap locked, patch locked. Let's get surgical. This ain't just a pouch. This is the platter. The Pew Pew Platter. Custom cats got heat in both paws. I'm just here to match the energy. First up by, I think it's called WIOKINY, a multifunctional G10 handle with what you're about to see and what you're about to witness unfold before your very eyes is a slingshot. That's right, this is a slingshot because sometimes you need precision and sometimes you need chaos. And for the most part, I'm okay with chaos when needed. Easily straps and unstraps and is very, very versatile to be put away nice and neat. And you also have an HCR 13 MOV steel blade that is equipped when you want it to be equipped and unequipped when you don't want it equipped. Simple, easy. Next up, I've got this Guard Dog pepper spray. That's right. Compact, loud, and spicy for when words fail and distance matters. Do not mess with my yo-yo. Perfect for EDC late night in Miami. Next, I'm gonna have to pull out the flex real quick. $2 bills, crispy, folded like a handshake. And next, we have the VIPERTEK mini stun gun, pocket-sized lightning. One zap, and they'll rethink their entire life. Next, I have this Streamlight MicroStream with 250 lumens of tactical clarity. Because in the red zone, shadows don't lie, and neither do I. Let me see your eyes. Next is this Grandway blade. This is a sleek, sharp, and clipped for cash. Dual purpose, cut the nonsense, carry the hustle. I don't use this for the money clip. I use this for the blade because that's why it was made. Very, very sturdy, comes with the liner lock, opens and closes with one hand, which is ideal in these situations. Again, the money clip is obsolete for me. It doesn't suit me. But I have other money clips, so it does what I need it to do. And I've got this tactical pen by KEPEAK. It writes, hands out receipts, breaks glass, and if needed, it makes a freaking point. You don't want to leave home without one of these. I definitely don't, and I definitely won't. And here we have the Rite in the Rain notebook with the orange cover. You got waterproof pages because even in chaos, I document the madness. All packed in the mighty pouch, the vault, the platter, the loadout, everything goes back in, but the message stays out. Send it. No hesitation, no second guessing. Just full send every time. They struck first blood. They took my gear. They poked the bear. And now I'm pulling out the Pew Pew Platter, and I'm not done serving. This was a warning shot, a red zone ritual. They took my gear, but they didn't take my grit. Pew Pew Platter locked and loaded. Stay tuned, stay degenerate. If you're into this, please smash that like button And if you'd like to be a part of this DEGEN EDC vibe, subscribe, join the tribe. I'm gonna leave a link for every single item that's inside this Pew Pew Platter. You don't have to use it, but if you do, it supports this channel, gets me more gear, and helps create more content. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.